Mini 4 Pro. Now I had a question the other day, referenced the latest update on the Mini 4 Pro. So we're going to test out, is it the update or is it the app itself? But anyway, what the question was that when you're into your quick shots and you put it into rocket, when the drone has done its main part of it, the rocket, is when it's descending, for some reason the gimbal shoots up into the air. Now, funny enough, this is about to come out and make this video. Kev, we're the Roberts, he done the same test, but we're gonna, I mean, the thing is with all these updates, guys, is some people will get this problem and some people don't. So I live in Spain, Kev lives in the US. Is there a problem? So we're just gonna find out. Thank you, Kev. We're just going to get the drone up in the air first. And while we're doing this, we're going to do another test. Now, I also noticed with the latest update that the precision landing was a little bit off. So people said to me, Sean, you've got to be up to about 7 meters. So we're going to take it up to about 7 meters. Let it stay there for, I don't know, I think people say 15 seconds. It's about, I think it's either 7 meters, 12 meters, 15 seconds. So anyway, I'm going to let it sit there for a bit. I think that's long enough. And we're just going to send the drone up. Now, what was interesting, when Kev did it, he actually did the rocket down near me. So I'm going to do that in a mo. But I thought what I'd do, I'll move it away from the landing pad. I thought you had to be a certain height, but it didn't seem to matter that. So anyway, we're just going to get the drone lined up first. Okay, just going to get me in the picture. I've got everything on my normal mode. Okay, so we're going to go over to quick shots. We go to rocket. I always keep this picture on as just a reminder. It's no big hassle. So we got the focus track on me already. So that's done. See, I've all right, altitude 30 meters. Is that a bit high? No, that's all right. Okay, we're just going to go for it.
2, 1.
So while that's going up, we'll check on the old gimbal. Everything is looking fine. It's doing its usual. Right, gimbal's reached its movement limit. Okay, now why it's finished now. It's returning back to where it was. And this is when you can see now the gimbal, yeah. It seems to have done the complete opposite. So that's interesting. So is it the firmware? And we're just to return to home. Now a lot of people say, Sean, why don't you just bring the drone back
Return to home.
by yourself? I'm lazy, that's what it is. I just find auto return so easy. Just press the button and it just does the job. Anyway, while that's going on there, let's have a quick chat. I thought what I'd do next, and I will try the Mini 3 Pro. So we're trying to alleviate, is it the app update, the latest update, the DJI Fly app, or was it actually the firmware? So, because Kev did his with the Mini 2, had no problem. So I'm going to try the Mini 3 Pro. We'll see how the, oh, looking good. Looking good. Now at the moment there's no wind and nothing, so it shouldn't get blown off course. Is it going to be on the H? It's on the H. So that's all right. I will do another one just to because sometimes just one's not enough. But anyway, we're going to change the drones over and we're going to do the Mini 3 Pro. So I'm just doing auto takeoff now on the Mini 3 Pro. I'm not worrying about the landing pad because it's mainly about the Mini 4 Pro. So I press the rocket, I press the focus track, there it is. I got it on 30 meters, so here we go.
2, 1.
So the drone's going up. You don't get no message on this one about the gimbal is at its maximum, which is interesting. Aircraft's returning. So you do get a different message on the Mini 4 Pro more than you do on the Mini 3 Pro. And as you've seen there, there's no problem with the gimbal. So I was going to do the Air 3, but I don't think I need to now. So it's obviously a slight bug problem with the Mini 4 Pro's latest update. I just thought of another thing. What I'm going to do now, I'm going to try the RCN2 and try that in the rocket mode just to see if it makes any difference. Looks like I've got to connect. Oh no, it's detected it. So let's just let's log it in. Mini 4 Pro update. Do that. Always remember that update, guys. Oh, we got an update for the remote. Will it do it? I don't think it will out here. Oh, it might do. So there was an update. Okay, that's interesting. I wasn't expecting that on the RCN2 controller. Right, so we're ready at long last. So let's do take off. I'll do the 7 meter thing as well, even though I got it in feet and inches. So I'm just going to send it up. Not really sure what 7 meters is in feet. That looks about right. I'll just give it there a couple of seconds. I think they say 15 at the most. We'll just change that. Right, so rocket. Okay, see if we can do it this close. Okay, we change the altitude to much as we can. Oh, 260 feet. Okay, that's good. We'll press start. Just lined itself up. Okay, it's probably because I'm just too close. So I'm just gonna go back a little bit. Okay, do it again.
3, 2, 1.
Right, we're off. It's happened at long last. He's off. So he's going straight up in the air. I like the shadow there. Axis tilt, axis reached. So that's how far the gimbal will go. So now it will. Oh no, we're still going up higher. Still going up higher. It's still not finished just yet. Okay, so it's finished its thing. It's coming back down. So, looking at this, it's obviously it's to do with the other controller then, because it's not doing anything here other than obviously it's going back. Obviously, then it decided to go upwards for some reason. So that only happened when it was near the bottom. So yeah, maybe it is to do with the Mini 4 Pro then. Anyway, we'll have a quick chat. But before we do that, I'm just going to send the drone up. I'm just going to send the drone out over that way. And we'll do the precision landing. Okay, we'll do the return to home. And we'll see if it lands on the
Return
H.
to home.
I've got faith it will do. So the precision landing thing, I suppose it all depends on how when you take the drone off. I've always just let the drone take off for 3 foot, and then if it comes back on the H, fantastic. If it
Landing.
don't, no big deal to me. But I suppose to some people, depending on where you are, maybe will make a lot of difference, especially if he's on a mountain or something and he ain't got much room to manoeuvre. You don't want to mess about the drone. Anyway, looking at it at the moment, the Mickey Mouse is coming onto the H. The wind's just dropped off, which is good. I think, to be honest. Okay, it's about the same. It's not dead on, but it's on the H. That's the main thing. So the summary on the Mini 4 Pro. So obviously, when it's in rocket mode, on the RC2, it did it straight away. Once it completed its rocket mode, the gimbal went straight up. Whereas on the RCN2, the gimbal didn't go straight up until it was near the completion, you know, of the starting point again, and then it went up. So obviously, this is something to do with the Mini 4 Pro, be it before the update or after the update. Maybe it's been there for quite a while. I mean, I personally don't check the quick shots now. I don't really use the quick shots anymore now. But I know if you just bought this drone, a lot of people will be using those quick shots. But anyway, good test. I want to thank the guy that gave me that question to see if there was a problem. Obviously, there is a problem. The precision landing, as you saw, no problem there. So that must have been me on that test day when I went out testing. And one time it was way off, never seen it as that bad. And other times it was smack on. So it does seem to be, if you send your drone at about 7 meters, give it a couple of seconds, it locks on better that way. So as always, guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. It's the main thing. If you've got any questions, you've noticed that something's gone wrong with your drone, just let me know and I'll go out and test it. As always, there's going to be another video coming very soon.